Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to slow down your clip in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, we need to choose where we want it to start. So for example, somewhere here we want to start it slowing down. And now we're going to choose this option, cut option. And now we're going to click on it. Now we're going to drag it again and click on it again. And we will only slow down this option. Now we're going to click on select button again and choose this place where we cut it. Now you want to right click your mouse and go ahead to change clip speed. Now make sure to click on ripple the timeline, and now you just make it to whatever speed you want. I'm just going to make it to 46 from 100. And now once we play our video, as you can see, it's now really slow. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.